Digitalisation is critical to the future of all manufacturing sectors, including the UK manufacturing base, and gives us an opportunity to drive growth, productivity and sustainability in manufacturing.
Supply chains are becoming a key priority for industry and governments globally because of the current crisis that we have in a number of economic incidents that have happened around traceability and visibility.
We are in a world where demand and supply are becoming imbalanced with each other. We're in a world where we face ever more unpredictable exogenous threats, whether that's from climate change, whether that's from energy prices soaring, whether that's from disruption associated with war. And all of those things coming together are making supply chains more fragile.
During the pandemic, the inability to get hold of critical materials, and even post-pandemic, some materials of shortages have been a problem. And now there's a big worry about food supply chain and the ability for the food supply chain to be robust and sustainable.
We need to be able to afford the things we need to buy and consume, and we need to be able to buy and consume those things without threatening the sustainability of our planet. I think that's why this is such a critical time for thinking about how we use data and technology to help us respond more adaptively and flexibly to that fragility we see in supply chains to make them more resilient.
The critical challenges in digital supply chains today is really about how do we optimize the three flows. And those flows are about the flows of products, flows of money and the flows of information. And today, because information doesn't flow effectively across the supply chain, products and money are wasted, leaving society and the environment to pick up the tab. So at the moment, our challenge is to unlock data flow, to drive the efficiencies in product and money flow and return the benefits back to society and the environment.